So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on Bluetooth and devices. And then you're going to click on devices. And now it's going to show you what USB devices you have connected to your computer. So it's going to show your input, your audio, and your other devices. You could also add a device through here. If you want to see what printers you have connected, you want to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And then it's going to show you all your printers that you have connected. If you want to add a printer, you want to click on add device. And then it's going to automatically scan for a printer. If you have any devices that are not working correctly or that are not being shown, then you want to make sure that they're actually plugged in first of all. And then you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select your computer name at the top. And then you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then you want to expand the section which you think is most applicable to the device that you have connected. So for example, if I connected the keyboard, I'm going to expand keyboards, and then your keyboard should be showing right here. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, you want to make sure your device has been enabled, so you want to right click on it, and then it should say disable or enable device for you. If you want to enable it, make sure that you click on enable. After you update your drivers, you could also try to restart your computer, which should then fix your problem.